Make a great choice today with the 2014 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, trip computer, compass, outside temperature gauge, perimeter alarm, tinted glass, engine immobilizer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.